What if the moon broke free from its orbit and hurtled toward Earth? The first warning wouldn't be a giant moon overhead, but chaos in our oceans. Tides would surge violently, flooding cities and turning rivers and lakes into unpredictable torrents. Animals would panic, birds fleeing, whales beaching, and land creatures abandoning their habitats. The moon's gravity would start pulling at Earth's crust, triggering earthquakes and awakening dormant volcanoes. Even regions long considered geologically stable would be rocked by tremors and eruptions. The ground would feel unstable, as if the planet itself was coming apart. Meanwhile, the moon would grow larger and brighter each night, its features visible to the naked eye. Amateur astronomers would sound the alarm, but soon everyone would see the looming threat. The moon would become a terrifying presence, a constant reminder of impending disaster. Its approach would dominate headlines, conversations, and every waking thought. The world would be gripped by fear, watching as the moon swelled in the sky. No longer a symbol of romance, it would become a ticking clock, counting down to catastrophe. The chaos below would mirror the growing menace above. Humanity would be forced to confront the reality that our world was on the brink. The moon's approach would unite the planet in dread, and the worst was yet to come. As the moon draws closer, Earth's rotation destabilizes. Days and nights become unpredictable, 15 hours of sunlight, then 30 hours of darkness. Circadian rhythms collapse, making sleep and routine impossible. Weather patterns shatter, superstorms and continent-sized hurricanes rage. The magnetic field weakens, exposing the planet to deadly solar radiation. Auroras light up the sky worldwide, but satellites and power grids fail. Agriculture collapses, crops can't survive the chaos. Famine spreads, and society unravels as infrastructure fails. People are battered by storms, radiation, and a world that no longer makes sense. Survival becomes a desperate struggle in an environment growing more hostile by the hour. The planet teeters on the edge of collapse. In the final days, the moon fills the sky, stretching from horizon to horizon. Its surface is visible in terrifying detail, blotting out the sun with long, chilling eclipses. Crossing the Roche limit, the moon begins to tear apart. Massive fragments break off and rain down on Earth. The sky becomes a deadly meteor shower. Impacts strike with the force of nuclear bombs. Each hit triggers earthquakes, firestorms, and sends dust clouds swirling. Tides become permanent, towering bulges of water that sweep across continents at supersonic speeds. Crust bulges and shatters, unleashing planet-shaking quakes. The world is battered by a relentless bombardment from above and catastrophic upheaval below. Humanity faces extinction as the gravitational chaos peaks. The final collision is imminent. The shattered moon's core slams into Earth, unleashing energy beyond comprehension. The impact vaporizes everything for thousands of miles, blinding anyone who sees it. Shockwaves rip through the planet, triggering global earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. A mega tsunami races around the world, submerging even the highest mountains. The surface is scoured clean. Nothing survives the flood, fire, and quakes. A thick shroud of dust blocks the sun, plunging Earth into darkness and freezing temperatures. Molten rock rains down, igniting global fires, followed by toxic acid rain. Any life that survived the initial onslaught faces a slow, grim extinction in a frozen, poisoned world. The planet is left a barren, hostile wasteland. The age of complex life is over. Centuries after the impact, Earth is a cold, dark wasteland. Only the hardiest microbes survive, deep underground or in the ocean's depths. But destruction paves the way for creation. Debris from the collision forms a new ring, or moon, echoing the event that once created our own moon. The cycle of cosmic destruction and rebirth continues. Our moon's origin story is a reminder. Catastrophic endings can seed new worlds. The moon is more than a light in the sky. It's a guardian of life's delicate balance. Even in the universe's darkest moments, the seeds of new beginnings are sown.